Hi, this is Joyce from Heavenly Bodies, and today I want to show you some of the Amethyst products that I have for sale. I have the stones, so there's 3 different stones to choose from. These are $1 a piece. So we have those, and we have a choker with a peace bead on it. This is $25. It's 17 inches long. And now we could do this as a set or separately. Separately, the bracelet is $7, and this goes for $7. Next, we have a 17-inch chain with an amethyst point and a lotus flower. And then we have a pendulum, amethyst point with a quartz ball. And this is a pendulum for dowsing. The interesting thing about amethyst, it's one of the best stones that you can have. It's very calming and relaxing. It's known as a stone of sobriety. The Greeks used to make cups out of it because they believed that it would stop them from getting intoxicated. So I didn't mention this necklace is $15. The pendulum is $7. So amethyst is great if you want to get in touch with the spiritual realm, or if you are looking for more spirituality. It's very grounding. Again, it's a very calming and relaxing stone. It's known to help with addictions, also helps you sleep better. Children are highly attracted to this stone because of its calming ability. And the bracelet and necklace not only has the amethyst in it, but it also has rose quartz, which is a stone of unconditional love. The little beads that are over here, that's tile. I do not use any plastic. And then this connector right over here has a nice detailing on it. So if you're interested in any of these items, just message me. I don't have them up on my website because I do create one-of-a-kind pieces, and I do sell at events, and they sell very quickly, and putting up on my website is very time-consuming. So if you have any questions or want to see something more close up, I could take a picture. Otherwise, drop me a comment, message me at heavenlybodies7@gmail.com, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.